Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic of today's video is how you can make money as a teenager on Temu app. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. Let's get started without wasting any time. Please do not skip the video. Guys, you can see there's this option of Temu app on my screen. I will click it. After clicking it, it brings me to this home page and I have to click the U icon on the bottom middle of my screen. It brings me to this page where I have to select settings. Here I have to make sure that the country and region are selected as US. After this I have to go back and click on earn credits and free gifts. Here I have a lot of options. I have to click redeem cash. This is the first method. Here I have an option of referring to friends. I have to copy the link or code and send it to my friends and family to earn cash. The second method is I can go back and click lucky flip. Here you can see I have options of converting diamonds into cash. I can flip diamonds and cards to earn cash. Third option is that I can play games to earn money. For that you have to be a mobile user, and I hope you liked the video. I hope this helped you in any way. If you liked my video and this helped you in any way, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.